All right, before we start with the deployment, we should prepare our application for production. So we're going to install a couple of packages. The first one is Helmet. So npm install Helmet. Helmet is a middleware package that can protect your application from well-known web vulnerabilities. I briefly explored that in the section called Express Advanced Topics. So let's install Helmet. The other package we're going to install is Compression. And we use that to compress the HTTP response that we send to the client. So npm install Compression. Now back in the project, here in the startup folder, I'm going to add a new module and call it prod.js. So all the middleware that we need to install for the production environment, we want to add them here. So the first one was Helmet. Let's import it here. Require Helmet. And the second one is Compression. So Compression, we set it to require Compression. Now here, just like our other startup modules, we want to export a function. So module.exports, we set this to a function. This function should take our application object because we're going to use this to install these middleware pieces. So app.use Helmet. This is a function that we need to call in order to get a middleware function. And similarly, app.use Compression. Again, this is a function, so we call it. Now finally, we go to our index module and use this prod module. So index module, we require startup/prod. We call this function and pass our express application object. Now here we could also write code to conditionally load this module if we are in the production environment, but it doesn't really matter. So we have prepared our application for production. Next, we're going to look at Heroku.